I love to catch bugs. Today, let's catch the art bug. Today I'm going to show you how to do a shine effect. I'm using the Christmas beetle. If you would like to learn how to draw the Christmas beetle, go back and watch that video. I'm going to be using my colored pencils today, and to make this effect work, you have to fill in quite a bit of color. I'm going to color in enough so that you can see how cool this effect is. So, once I get a bunch of this area colored in, all you have to do is take your white colored pencil and go over the top of it. And what the white does is it blends your colors together, it smooths them out, and gives it kind of a shiny look. You can see how it's smoothing out this red. It also works on my green. Now you do have to press kind of hard, but you'll get kind of a nice, smooth effect on your colors. Here, I'll do a little bit on this gold. This effect kind of gives a metallic look or a shiny effect that's going to make people go, wow, how did you color that? That looks amazing. I hope you have fun with this technique.